Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you watch my YouTube video, I'm Steve Jin, Mr. Jin All-in-One, and that is Carlito. So my channel is about fashion, luxury, and beauty. Together between the cosmetic and collecting luxury items, I have over 25 years experience. So if you're looking for somebody's perspective of someone is in their mid-40s, I think about all this, I'm your guy, and I may not know everything, but I know quite a bit. So definitely subscribe my YouTube channel below. I really appreciate that. I do a video every week, Wednesday at 12 o'clock in California time. I also have a very active Instagram account. There's two accounts. One is called Skin by Steve Jin, and that account is especially designed for everything about beauty products. And the other one is called Mr. Jin All-in-One. I list right here too, you can take a look. And Mr. Jin All-in-One Instagram is all about fashion and luxury items. Because my job, I travel a lot. In fact, I travel 80% of the time. So you get to travel with me, and I look forward to see all of you. In today's video, we're gonna do something I don't think I ever really done it before, and that is, I don't even have a title for that. So basically, I want to review the couple new product I recently inquired or purchased, and kind of let you know what I like about them, what I don't like about them. It's not going to be so focused on the ingredients, it's more focused on the texture and result and the consistency of the products. And I think if this video is doing good, I'll be doing that on a regular basis because I have so many skincare and sometimes I don't even review them because there's too many. So I want to dedicate one episode, it's all about that. So let's get started. The first product I want to share with you is by Venn Cosmetics, and this product is a vitamin B active all-in-one concentrate. So why do I like this product? It's because they're using multiple different types of vitamin B. In fact, there's so many, I need to look at my computer real quick, so hold please. Okay, so I'm reading this real quick here. There's too many. It's using vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B3, which is niacinamide, vitamin B5, vitamin B7, and B9, plus 11 amino acids. That's including 8 essential amino acids. Oh my god, that's a lot of stuff in there. And those ingredients added together will hydrate the skin up to 24 hours, reduce, improve, instantly brightening and smoother skin and lines and wrinkle. It's like a really truly all-in-one. 2 years ago they launched the all-in-one product, the original one, meaning that just one product that will cover your serum, your moisturizer all-in-one. And I felt I like that particular product, but this one I absolutely love it. Let me show you why I love so much. It comes out kind of yellow, very light, not yellow, I'm sorry, kind of ivoryish colors. And the beauty about this is very, very silky. You can see that instantly absorbing to the skin. Well, not instantly. It basically just very easy to glide. As you apply the moisture, you can feel there's a lot of moisture in there. So depends the skincare that you purchase. When you purchase more luxury skincare, a lot of time they're using ingredients that allow the product give more hydration, so the texture feels smoother, softer, and it doesn't feel heavy. And as you massage, everything just goes right into the skin. Oh my god, I love it. And I was in Paris, so if you follow me, you wouldn't know that, right? So I was in Paris about what, 2 weeks ago, and I only brought a couple products with me, and this is one of them. I don't find my skin get very, very dry. I just use this. It's very, very hydrated, and it provides the hydration I need, the nutrient I need, all the vitamin for my skin, and make my skin firmer. So that's why I love this baby. And I will link the company information below so you can take a look. The next product I want to share with you, I consider budget-friendly skincare because I have learned that not everyone can spend $100 or $80 for skincare, and some of you looking for something more affordable product out there. So I really also been trying a lot of that, and I recently discovered this company called Jing Beauty, and this is the 10% vitamin C plus squalene repair cream. And the beauty about this product is a 1 ounce for only, let's say, $39. So when the company labeled this 10% vitamin C, that means in the ingredient list, the vitamin should be the very top. And just so you guys know this, when you look at the ingredient list, if you found basically the product, the first 5 ingredient is majority the amount in the product. Anything after 5, the 5th ingredient has kind of very small amount. So what I did is I look at their website. The vitamin C is actually the number 3 ingredient in this product. So that tells me that the product really does pack a lot of good stuff in there. It's a fragrance-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free, natural, vegan, and plant-based the products. Again, $39. And what this product will do for you, just like you know that vitamin C is all about brightening the skins. So I've been using this also when I was in Paris, but I do found, I need to be honest with you, okay, I do found that when I use this alone, it's not enough hydration. I really need to either use a moisturizer on top, or I need to use something like a serum beneath the product. It is not a product for dry or normal skin. However, if you're super oily, I think you may be okay with this one. So let me show the consistency. So this is a 1 ounce for $39. Definitely very affordable. And let's see, it's made in USA, so you know the product you can count on. So let me give you some idea right now. So it also comes out like a completely white creamy lotion. And as I massage in there, it's definitely a little bit thicker. So what's happening is that when you buying, how to say that, when you're paying a lot of money for luxury skincare, the texture is going to be better because they're adding more ingredient, more filler in there, so a lot of product going deeper. When you spend for $39, doesn't mean it's a bad product, just they're gonna have a less ingredient in terms of the texture. So the texture definitely feel a little bit more sticky, in fact feel a little thick on the skin. But I do found that once I put on my skin, it does absorb into the skin about a few minutes, so it's not, doesn't make you feel skin sticky or anything like that, but you can feel that, you can see it, it's a little bit thicker. So this is the one with the Venn Cosmetics. This is the Jing Amber Beauty Vitamin C 10%. So again, you know, I have to be honest with you. Today, if your budget for skincare is $40, then I think this is great. But if you told me that I like to spend $200 for my skincare, then obviously you want to find something else more about texture and the smelling, you know, the scent, not smell, scent. So this product right here, one thing I do not like this is the scent, because there's no added fragrances in there. So it does has their natural ingredient scent, which I'm not too pleased, but the smell do go away. Again, you know, if you're gonna spend $39, focus on the results. Don't focus about the smell, because there's only so much they can put in the products. Does it make sense? So overall, like I said, it's kind of disappear now. It makes your skin very, very soft. It does give you that residue silk feeling a little bit, but again, I feel like this is great for somebody who's very oily. If you're very dry, then you might want to use this under the moisturizer, or use some hydrating beneath that. But the best part about this, it's only $39. So if you are looking for budget-friendly skincare and looking for some kind of vitamin C product, Jing Amber Beauty. And I actually bought a lot of stuff from the Paris pharmacies, but there are some stuff that really, oh, did I say that? So I don't even want to bother to talk about that. But there are 3 products I actually found it. It's not bad, I like it. Especially you're only paying for less than $15 US. So it's pretty good. So the first product I want to show you, if I pronounce, well, I'm sure I pronounced this wrong, so please forgive me. It's by Embrace, hold please, let me get my dictionary. Embrace Laboratory. So I'm going to show right here, and this is their new packaging, limited edition packaging. I think it's been in the industry, especially in Paris and Persian and Europe, for many years. From I research, this has been known for a lot of celebrities using this as a makeup primer. And so a couple of things here. I forgot how much I paid because I lost a receipt. I'm gonna put the link below so you can try to get some idea. I found one in the US, I think it's around $15 or $16. So it's really affordable. It's about 2.5 ounce. one thing I do have to say that if you go outside of USA, like in Asia, in Europe, their pharmacist skincare is actually really good quality. For some reason, they can get a cost very low and provide very decent product. And I found that in the US, if you buy something from drugstore, they are still very, very expensive. There's really no true drugstore skincare in the US. So I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, so this is meant to be for all skin type. And let me show you, I like this tube, like a toothpaste style, so it's really great for travel. So I use this, I bought it in Paris, like I said, and I used it a couple times. I do found, how do I say that? I liked it. At first, it feels really great, but when time goes on, it just kind of disappears on my skin a little bit. So let me get a little bit right here. That's a lot. Hold on. And I also look at the ingredient list. It's very interesting. The first ingredient is water, and the second ingredient, I cannot pronounce that. Basically, it's a refined mineral oil. So a lot of people may not like that, but I guess refined mineral oil is better than regular mineral oil, so you can see it. It's a very watery texture. You can see that it's very easy to blend. It does have a smell, but you know what? It's a very light. It's not an unpleasant smell. But you can smell it's not organic smell. But again, come on, you're paying for less than $15 or $16. What do you expect, right? So it's definitely a very emollient moisturizer for the skin. So I can put it right here. Once you put it on the skin, it does kind of seal the skin a little bit. So if you're truly oily skin, you probably don't want to use this product. Could be a little bit too heavy for you. For somebody for normal to dry, I think will be great for you. And again, don't expect that $15 gonna firm and lift your skin. That's not gonna happen. It's mainly just for hydration purpose. So when the skin's hydrated, the skin will be more plump, temporary, the pores will be less noticeable, temporary. And so when you put a makeup on there, it will look and feel better. So I think that's what this product is about. And again, it's only $15, so I found myself using on my body a little bit when I travel on the airplane because it gets so dry. So it's a really truly La Crème all-in-one concentrate. Pretty good, right? Let's see what this. Yeah, so I'm gonna link the website below so you can take a look. It's made in France. So if you go to Paris or anywhere in France, if you want to try this product, definitely check it out. The next product I want to show you, it's very iconic in the French beauty industry. It's by Otz The Dry Oil. Oh my god, I think I see this in the US, but I'm not really sure. So but I do, as I research this now, I found a website called French Pharmacy. I'm gonna put a link below. You can buy this on there, and it's for sale for $34.84. That's a weird number. It is being using in Parisian for over 25 years. It is the multi-purpose oil for your hair, for your body, for your skin. You just can cook the oil with your food, honestly, right? And this is so many people using this, and I have to say this, I liked it. I like it a lot, especially when I travel. And this has a beautiful orange blossom, amber, vanilla. The scent is very rich, very warm. It's very Parisian. So if you can get to Paris, buy this, bat this on your body, you're gonna feel like you're in Paris, seriously. It's just very warm scent. And this particular product, let me double check, hold please. 98.1% in this product, it's natural organic ingredients. There's no silicone, no mineral oil in there. Yeah, no mineral oil, no silicone in there. And it's designed, this blend with 7 different types of botanical oil in there. That's not bad for $34.84, right? I think in the Paris is a little bit cheaper than that, but anyway. So let's show you, right? It's actually spray on, watch. Boo, boo, like that. Honestly, I don't like the spray. I wish it's in the pump. So watch this, I have nothing on my arm, okay? So you put this on the skin. It's a dry oil, meaning it just go into skin very, very quickly. It doesn't feel like greasy oil on the face, on the skin. And there's a couple ways you can do it. You can put on your hair, like I said before, or you can mix this with your skincare couple spray if you're very dry. the smell is really wonderful, and I use this a lot when I travel on my body. The only downsides I have to tell you right now, I don't know what's up with the package. So I took this back from Paris, and for some reason it's leaking. So my whole cosmetic bag is the oil. I don't even know what to do with that. But other than that, I like the smell. I think it's very relaxing smell this. And what I also did is that when I come back from Paris, so you know when you're taking a bath, I spray this all over my body and go to the hot bubble bath and just really let your skin immerse in this beautiful dry oil on the skin. Or you can use this right after you take a shower. It's very hydrating. I really like it. The final product I want to share with you, I also got it from Paris Pharmacy. It's their luxury product in the pharmacy. It's by Philoga. I think I pronounced this right. And they have the entire skincare line, but apparently this is one of the star product. It's called Hydrate Filler, and they're using hyaluronic acid in there to hydrate the skin. And I found on website to sell, you can buy it in the US. It's a $59 for 2 ounce. So again, it's not ridiculous expensive, but I like this product because the packaging is very nice. It feels like it's a very substantial product. And watch this, I saved this for the best. So when you open it, they actually have a sealer. Oh my god, this is so old school. I forgot what brand was. It's when I was little, when I was in Taiwan, I think it's in Navia, I think that's pronounced. It's a flat round compact jar in the blue color, and they have this foil thing. You guys know what I'm talking about? If you know what I'm talking about, leave a comment below. This reminds me of that, the really old school skincare. And what's really cool is that even though it's a drugstore brand, let me show you guys here. It's a very thick consistency, but I ran out of hand. So you can take a look. So it goes on actually very smoothly. You can see that it just kind of emulsify a little bit, become watery. So it's a very hydration. So for 59 US dollar, at least from the website I found, it's not bad. And this smells not, how do I say that? It has a light refreshing scent, but you know it's not botanical scent, but it's not bad. It's a scent that you like that. I would say you like that, you know. And once again, you know, in the US, it's really hard to find something in this price point at the drugstore that smells wonderful. So definitely. And then see, feel this. And the beauty about this is no sunscreen. The reason why I keep on mentioning no sunscreen is because when the product has no sunscreen, you can use day or night. So you're not limited yourself for that. And so I really like that. And normally I like to use another sunscreen on top of my moisturizer to give it the protection I need from the UV damage. So this is the higher end part of the product. So, you know, I just want to share with you. I only used this a couple times. I like it, but I do found it's kind of hard to close. And maybe because the foil, I keep it right here. But I just want to show you guys, this is like so old school, so I kind of like it. So, what do you think so far? Let me know your thought on the video so far today. Do you like how I review this product here? And do you want to see this on a regular basis? So anytime I try something new, I can do a quick review on the product and share with you guys. At the end, I want to say thank you so much for your support on my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed my YouTube, please do so. I do video once a week, every Wednesday. I have over, I don't know, 300 video on YouTube right now. And once again, you know, if you definitely check me out on my social media, I put it's all right over here so you can check it out. And I will see you guys next week. Thank you. Bye.